Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to run professional email campaigns without tech headaches? In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for email marketing in 2025. Step by step, perfect for beginners. HubSpot is an all-in-one marketing platform. Its email tool helps you create, automate, and track emails for newsletters, sales funnels, and more. And the best part, there's a free plan to get started. Go to hubspot.com and choose the free plan, free CRM plan. Like Marketing Hub Professional for $800 per month. Now click on Get Started button. Then click Get Started Free. You will log in with your, you will sign up with your Google account, Microsoft account, or your email address. Just enter your email here and click Verify Email. Now check your email inbox. Then copy the code 859937. Sorry, 337. Then enter a strong password. Then click Next. Then enter first and last name. Then Next. Have you used software to manage or engage with customers before? No. Do you want which problems you want to solve with HubSpot? Yeah. What industry are in? Doesn't fit. Or search for video editing, video or civil engineering. Then Next. Then click Next. Just me and create account. And just like that, once logged in, go to your dashboard. First of all, complete your profile. Follow the instructions to or skip. And you are good to go. Once you're logged in, click Marketing. And then Email from your dashboard. Make sure to verify your email address and connect your domain if you want higher deliverability. Before sending emails, let's build your email list. Go to Contacts, then Lists, then Create List. Choose Active List if you want it to update automatically, or Static List if it's fixed. Add contacts manually or import via CSV. Always collect emails ethically using opt-ins or lead magnets. Now let's create your email campaign. Go to Marketing tab, then select Email from this tab. Choose Regular or, or View All Templates. Choose Simple template for a one-time email or automated if using workflows. Add your subject line from name and email body. Use your brand colors, personalize with the recipient's name, and add a clear call to action. Use short paragraphs and keep it mobile friendly. Click on Preview button in the upper right corner. Preview as contact. Send a test email to yourself. Check for typos, broken links, and layout issues. Once everything looks good, click Send or Schedule. Choose your recipient list, Send now or Schedule for later. You can also A and B test different subject lines. After sending, HubSpot tracks everything for you. Go back to your dashboard. From the Marketing tabs, again click Email. Then go to Send tab. Open rates. Click through rates, bonus, bounce, and unsubscribe rates. This helps you improve your subject lines, design, and timing over time. Want to go next level? Use workflows to automate follows up. Then go to automation tab, then click workflows and click start a free trial for 14 days. Then create workflow. Example, when someone downloads a lead magnet, they get a welcome email. Add conditions, delays, and actions. Start simple like a welcome series or abandoned cart flow. And that's how to use HubSpot for email marketing in 2025. From list buildings to automation, you have now got everything you need to run your first campaign. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a video on HubSpot, landing pages, or lead magnets next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.